Welcome back, guys. How are you? After so many days, today in this video, we will generate images and videos just from our text. We will do this with the help of Ourea AI. Ourea is one of the best AI image and video generators available today. It offers a wide range of features and capabilities. Let's explore this AI a bit more in depth. Here in the chat section, when you type the / key, you'll get many options. In addition to generating images and videos from text, you can also access a variety of other tools and functionalities. It also has features similar to ChatGPT. For now, we will select the text-to-image function. Here, we have to enter a prompt, which means whatever you type will be generated as an image. You can see the prompt I typed. I will be sure to pin some examples in the description for your reference. After writing the prompt, we have dozens of filters available, ranging from realistic to animated. It also includes anime and NSFW content. After that, simply click Enter, and our image will appear soon. The images generated match the description, accurately showcasing the power and precision of Ourea AI. Now, let's try another example to see how it handles different prompts and filters. By experimenting with various inputs, we can better understand the capabilities and flexibility of this tool. We got our second prompt results, and she looks stunning, doesn't she? The text-to-image function was impressive. Now, let's take a look at other functions. Simply type the / key and click on the video generation function. Whatever you type, this will generate a video of that. Let's try it. I entered a prompt for a mountain landscape. We got our results, and the video turned out as planned. This video generation function is truly remarkable. I generated one more video of a sunset scene. You can easily download it as well. Now, it's time to explore the image-to-video function, which converts your image into a video. I selected an animated Pixar girl in front of a school bus and just entered it. It is currently generating our video. We got the video, and it is amazing. Now, let's look at the last feature for the video, which is the chat function. After selecting GPT, you can talk with it, and it will provide you with all the answers you need. If you ask it to explain Newton's laws, it will provide detailed information. If you need an essay for your college assignment, it will generate with ease. Although it is free, it does have some limitations. If we look at the pricing, it comes with 4 plans. You can choose whichever is best for you. As you select a higher plan, the quality of the output will increase and the time it takes to generate will decrease.
Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.